Hello everybody, this is Louis from Jugglerball Pythons. I have an unboxing video here for you. Let's see what we have. And a shout out to Richard Hamalski from Without Warning Exotics. Here's his card. Check him out on Morph Market. And let's see what we have here. Very nicely packed, may add. And let's see this beauty. If I can get her out of here. See what we have. Here she is. See if we can see the head. Look at that. Look at that beautiful snake. Again, Richard, thank you. This is more beautiful than the pictures. Look at that. What a nice, beautiful snake. I think this is my favorite snake now. So thanks a lot again. Without Warning Exotics. Check them out at Morph Market.